Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This customer, she is keep calling me since 3-4 days. She called me. She has 3 washing machine to repair, and this washing machine she is using for 10 years. After 10 years, this first time is spoiled. So she is very happy after I repaired this washing machine. So let's see what was the problem, and I have fixed already. Then now she is finally checking. That's why I'm doing this video, because after 10 years this Panasonic washing machine after 10 years is spoiled. But it's not spoiled also, it's a small issue was the when she wash the water cannot stop. So if cannot stop, so without water cannot wash. So see what was the fault. There is back cover, need to remove the back cover. There will be 3 screws, just remove the screws, then pull the back cover. Okay, this is the drain switch. This is the drain switch. See, if I press the drain switch, its problem is here. It was problem here, and there was 4 screws. Just I have removed the 4 screws. The inside, see, there are 4 screws. Inside was stuck this by dust, and one of the metal, this metal was inside. So that's why it's unable to close properly. That's why water was leaking and water cannot stop. So this was the fault only. So after I removed, I fixed back. Then she was testing and she was very happy, and now it's working fine. And she has another washing machine. This machine problem is it cannot wash and cannot spin also, but can, but not strong. When she put cloth, see, now I put spin mode but not strong. Okay, for this problem I have to lay down it. So just remove the back cover. See, this is the one of the common problem. See, this belt has loose. That's why motor is spinning, but drum and pull starter is not spinning. For this reason only. See, belt has loose, and this belt has gone. Actually, this belt has gone. Need to change. See, this has broken also. So must change if this situation. So bears, I have changed the belt. This should be same size. This belt is 19.8. Okay, actually all our belts are not same. There's a lot of different size, so you have to keep all the size. Stand by if you're the technician. See, it was the 19.8. I fixed it, and this is the 18.6. So this all our build are not same size. There are different size for different model, different machine. So now alhamdulillah it will be okay. So let's test it, the spin mode. And owner, she is here. Okay, dear viewers, alhamdulillah, see, now its speed is very good. So she's very happy. Now I have to go first floor. She has one more washing machine in third floor. Sorry, first floor. So I have to go there. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.